A very good morning to all. Now we see the case study on a Rangikota fourth order differential equation and its application. Abstract. We are going to discuss about the RK method, that is Rangikota fourth order with differential equation and its application. The differential equation problems are solved by Rangikota fourth order method and its application problems are discussed with RK's, that is Rangikota's fourth order and co-ordered in C programming. Introduction. First order RK method. Consider the following cases. We wish to use the computer to approximate the solution of the differential equation, that is dy of t by dt plus 2y of t equal to 0 and dy of t plus dt into 2 plus 2y of t equal to 0, or dy of t into dt equal to minus 2 into y of t. Second order RK method. The first order RK method is used to derive at the time t0 to estimate the value of the function at one time. RK fourth order method is a numerical technique used to solve the ordinary differential equation of the form dy by dx equal to f of xy with the initial condition y of 0 equal to y0, that is when at x equal to 0 y becomes y0. So only the first order ordinary differential equations can be solved by using the RK fourth order method. Euler and RK methods are used to solve higher order ordinary differential equations. Derivation. The RK method, that is Rangikota fourth order method, is based on the following: yi plus 1 equal to yi plus a1 into k1 plus a2 into k2 plus etc. a4 into k4 into h. Where knowing the value of y equal to ya at xi, we can find the value of y equal to yi plus 1 at the value of xi plus 1. If we are not familiar with it, we should read the section entitled a first order RK method, that is h equal to xi plus 1 minus xi. A linear differential equation with no input. We repeat the central concept of generating a step forward in a time in the following text. The third order RK method. This method is a third order RK method for approximating the solution of the initial value problem, that is y dash equal to f of x comma y with the initial condition y of x naught equal to y naught, which evaluates the integrand f of x comma y 3 times per step. For the equation is equated to the first 5 terms of Taylor series, that is yi plus 1 equal to ya plus dy by dx of xi comma ya xi plus 1 minus xi plus 1 by t for 2 factorial into d square y by dx square xi ya into of xi plus 1 minus xi the whole square plus etc. Knowing that dy by dx equal to f of x comma y and xi plus 1 minus xi equal to h, that is the difference. For the step I plus 1, that is yi plus 1 equal to y plus f of x comma y into h plus 1 by 2 factorial into f dash of x comma y into h square, where yi plus 1 equal to ya plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 4k2 plus k3 plus 1 by 3 factorial into f of x comma y into h cube plus 1 by 4 factorial into f triple dash of x comma y into h power 4, where we using the following formulas to find the values of k1, k2 and k3. Then xi equal to x naught plus I into the difference h. Then the fourth order RK method. Based on the equating the equation 2 and 3 of the popular solution used, it's the same one, yi plus 1 equal to yi plus 1 yi plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4 into h, where we using the below formulas for finding the values of k1, k2, k3 and k4. Okay, let's see the problems. Using fourth order RK method, evaluate the value of y when x equal to 1.1, given that dy by dx plus y by x equal to 1 by x square into y. Given the initial conditions y of 1 equal to 1, that is x not equal to 1 and y not equal to 1. Then given using the fourth order RK method. Therefore, the formula for Fourth order RK method of the differential equation is given. We write the formula, that is K1, K2, K3 and K4. Then we can calculate the del y equal to 1 by 6 into K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. We know that H is the interval. Okay, first given f of x comma y, we write the initial given values and also the initial conditions x0 and y0 and know the h value. We can calculate k1 using the formula, that is h into f of x0 comma y0. We substitute the values of h and x0 in y0 in f of x comma y. We get the values of k1 equal to 0. Okay, then k2 equal to this one, k3 equal to this. We get the final answer, that is del y, that is using the formula del y equal to 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. We substitute all those values of k1, k2, k3, k4. We can get the value of del y, that is equal to 0.1169. Then y1 equal to y0 plus del y. We can get the value of y1 equal to 1.1169. Then we continue the second approximation using the above formula. We can get the values of k1, k2, k3, k4 and we can finally find the del y value. Then we can substitute the values in del y. We can get the values of y2. Then third problem, same one. The given function y dash of x equal to x square plus y square. Then initial values are x0 equal to 0 and y0 equal to 0. Then find the value of y at the point 0.4. Okay, first we can write the all initial conditions and given function values. We know that the formula very well. Therefore, we substitute all these values in the formula. We can find the values of k1 and k2, k3 and k4. Okay. Then assume the here h is not given. Therefore, we assume that h equal to 0.2. Then we calculate using those values. Finally, the answer is 0.9954. Okay, then second problem, fourth order, same fourth order. The given function is xy plus y square. The initial condition is we also find the values of y at the point x equal to 0.1 and 0.2. Using the same formulas, we can find the values. Okay, finally, we see the application problem. In this program of for RK method in C, the function of x comma y is defined the calculator. So, whenever it's called f of xy equal to x minus y by x plus y. We can write the function in C programming. Then finally we get the values. The output is this one. Finally we get the answer. Same method, second problem. We can get the values of k1, k2, k3 and k4. Then substitute all those values in the formula. We can get the y1 value. Same process we continue. We can get this. Then the next problem is this. Same. Okay, the final answer is this one. Using this, we can write the program in C. We can get the values of same one. Enter the initial values only, we can get the final answers. We can get next problem. Same one, k1, k2, k3, k4 values are obtained. For using these values, we can get the final answer. Thank you.